like around 1 a.m. It comes in. You can notice it's to the west of New Orleans. That's not great news for New Orleans because that puts them in the quadrant where the most damage can happen. And in fact, the impacts, torrential rain and flooding, numerous roads closed, flood control barriers, the levees may be breached, upwards of 20 inches of rain possible with this, storm surge 3 to 6 feet, major beach erosion, strong rip currents, and destructive winds, the highest winds to the west of New Orleans, but considerable roof damage, large areas with power outages. Already, the Mississippi River has been stressed because it has been a very rainy year to date. Heavy rainfall this weekend, increasing those levels further. Storm surge raising rivers to near record heights. Look at this. We're talking about a record that was at 21.3 feet. 20 feet is where the levees will get topped, and that's very possible coming up this weekend. So we're going to continue to track this all weekend long. That's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods.
Good morning. It's a Storm Team 4 weather alert day around here as well. There is a risk for strong to severe thunderstorms today. There's also a risk for some flash flooding underneath some of those storms. A quick 1 to 2 inches of rain on already saturated ground could really cause some troubles. Storms are going to fire up between 2 and 3 o'clock to the west of town and be rolling right onto the I-95 corridor in time for the afternoon commute. Temperature-wise, we're already in the upper 70s. Today's high temperature up near 90 degrees before it gets very stormy.
And that is your latest.
All right, Mr. Roker, thank you very much. Carson's here. JBH is here.
Chanel is here.
Chanel is here.
I
You know
see
what that
JBH.
means?
I raised you with Chanel.
You know what that means?
Go.
Pop
star.
Contain your excitement, ladies and gentlemen. First up, baby's day out for the Duke and Duchess of Sussex son, little Archie. Thank goodness. Pop star correspondent Chanel Jones to my right with all the details. Ms.
I'm
Jones.
so honored. Good morning.